back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. We're not cooking though, we are doing an unboxing, right? So just to say, if you're here for your first time, welcome, and if you're returning to the channel, I do welcome you guys back with open arms, okay? Like, share, subscribe, all that good YouTube business, okay? Alright, so let's just say for the past couple of weeks, y'all, my deep fryer left the building. It just suddenly just stopped work. No warning, no nothing. So I've been demotivated, okay, to do any frying because of my deep fryer went out. So finally I went on Amazon and I told myself that it was time to invest in another deep fryer. I wanted to get a bigger one than I had, but not too big. Somebody decides I'm going to show you this. This is my own money. Nobody never mail nothing out. Come give me. I use my own money to purchase this deep fryer. Okay. So, I was thinking about doing a recipe tonight for you guys today. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cook something still. But I am going to let you guys see what it actually looks like when you put it in there. I'm going to fry some breast. I want to make a sandwich rather, a chicken sandwich. So I'll be using this today. But I just don't want to go through the process of cooking anything for the camera right now. But I'm going to make us see. Actually, I want to wear them really seal it up real nice. I can't tell them to say it well sealed there. It's extremely sealed. Okay, so forget about any default business because it's really, really sealed. It's extremely sealed. But I'm not going to be cooking and dragging camera today. Ain't doing that. But I am going to be cooking for sure. It is Friday, so I hope that you guys will see this soon. I'm not going to see it, but you guys will definitely see it. Alright, so the brand that I got, y'all, is the Hamilton Beach brand. That's the brand that I got right here. Okay. Never used it before. This is my very first time. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. Let's do it like this, y'all. Let's do it like this. And get it out of the box. Because I want to keep the box to store stuff in it. So, we're going to keep the box. Alright. Alright, so we're going to turn this back up this way. Alright. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can tell you what I'm going with it. Alright, so since ain't nobody paid me for nothing, I can tell you exactly how I feel about how it looks and all of that. And then when I actually use it, I'll definitely tell you guys how it works, right? So, let's go ahead and open this up. Let me see what it says actually on the box, okay? Because it's a pretty good size. Let's see. Oh, big things are going. Alright. Right, that part is Spanish. The part that's Spanish. I know some of I'm not speaking spoken Spanish, so I'm going to go to English. Alright, so it says adjustable timer with audible tone. But I think I'm going to need that. The psychedelic business, but it comes with all of that. Professional style deep fryer, 12 cup food capacity, extra large 12 cup food capacity, feeds a crowd, double basket, let you cook 2 foods at once. So that's what I really wanted. Something I can go fast. Emerge eating element for fast heating and cooking. Easy to assemble and use and clean. Okay, so let's see if it's true to its word. We're gonna find out if it's really true to its word. Alright, when you open the box, it looks pretty much like that. It comes with the little book. Let's see. I hope them get some recipe of something. Some of them come with stuff where you can actually do recipes in it. But this one doesn't look like that's the case. You have English in the front and then you have Spanish in the back. It basically tells you what not to do and how to get the thing set up for cooking. It talk about assemble, but we don't know about them something there. But you know, that's where husband comes in. Yeah, assemble. Alright, so I think this is the cover. Yeah, that's the cover. Alright, so this part you can actually open it up for the steaming pot or whatever. Let me try to break my fingernail. Alright, so do this. Okay, so this part actually comes off. Okay, there you go. So we get that part there. So that's the cover. Comes in a plastic. Alright, and then it comes very secure in a foam in the bottom. And of course I'm going to have to flip it out once again to take it out. As you guys can see, it comes really secure. Trust me. Let me flip it over so good. Let me flip the thing so. Kind of jump it up. Everything will fall apart. Alright. Goodness. Oh, this is so tight. It's really, really tight in the box. I'm not even playing. Like literally. I don't have no patience. I don't have no patience for that, boo. Okay. No patience. Patience run out. So if I was supposed to return it, that's not going to happen because you ripped the box. Even when I rip the box, it's still tight. See it here. Alright. Alright. So as you can see, it's extremely secure. So you can't say, you get it bent up. You need 2 people to take it out of the box. Okay. Okay, so it comes in the plastic. Once again. Plastic. And then a lot of things going on inside. So here's the tray. One of them, and this is the card that it comes with. This is the other tray, and it comes with the handles, 2 of them, more paper in the bottom for security reasons. This part is here. Paper for protection, more paper for protection, cardboard rather. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty big on the inside. This part usually comes out, as you know. That comes out. When that part comes out, there's definitely more paper inside. More paper. Whole heap of paper. Alright, so that's what the oven part looks like. Alright, that's the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to put everything in. Alright, so we go back and put that back in the case. Alright, I guess it doesn't matter which angle you put it. No, well, it does matter, y'all. It goes this way. Okay, so it does matter how you put it in. It could only fit in one way. And then this goes here. Okay. This part is attached to the top. Like so, on the bracket. Okay. As far as the baskets are concerned, these are the extension cord for plugging to the back to the wall. It looks kind of short though. That's pretty short. Okay, so we're going to attach this. I don't like assembling anything, but this one is pretty easy to assemble. Alright, so this part goes here. Okay. Pretty much so. Okay. That's that. Okay. The next one. It does come with one little piece of paper with some other little instruction where you have to do and do and after where you burn down the house and them something there. So it does come with that. Alright, so we put this here. And then just bring that down. The basket is about the same size of the one that I had before. So that is pretty good. Alright, so that's that. Right, and again your manual and all of that stuff, and then this part goes over here, I think, or the video. Okay, this way. There you go. So that's how it sets, and then this part goes in here. It should, yes, there you go, it snaps right in, and then you plug it into the outlet. Well, gently, of course. This card is pretty short, y'all. That's something I like. What I don't like about it is the card. The card is extremely short, so you know, so you have to go there close to the outlet in order to use it. Yeah, this card is extremely short. Right, but that's about it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at another closer glance. So that is it. Okay, as you can see, how close it is to the outlet. So it's not a lot of room or not like that. And then over here, you have the timer and all that stuff. And how hot you want it to cook. 265, 300, 340, 375, and that, all that stuff. So it does give you the ready green button, which is right here. Power button on, and I guess, you know, however hot you want it. I'll definitely go through the manual to get it right. But this is overall what it looks like inside. It's pretty big. Yeah, so I can do my fries in one, my french fries, and then I could definitely do my chicken on the other side, or whatever I decide to cook. But I like that. It's not bad. The one I did have before, the same size, the basket was the same size. So that's a massive blessing to have the two of them, you know. Get the job done even faster. Well, that looks pretty good, y'all. That looks pretty good. That's the side view of that. And that is the other side. And again, the back of that. It's pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and add the oil in it. That much you guys will see me do. Okay? You guys will see me add the oil in it. And then, but I think I'm going to wipe it down first before I add, yeah, I'm going to wipe it down first before I add any oil in it. And then after I get through doing that, then I come back and show you guys how it look. I'm gonna do a recipe when I cook for the family a burger, and so y'all guys will see how it pretty much looks inside here. Okay, so see you back in a few. All right, so I gave it a nice little wipe. That should look a bit of water and soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the oil in here, and I have an entire big old gallon of oil. So I know that this is really big, so I'm hoping that this is enough and that I don't have to put any additional oil in it. That looks pretty good. I'll show you guys the amount of the oil bottle that I have here. Alright, so this is what I purchased. This is a vegetable oil. It is 1 gallon, 3.78. Alright, I bought this in Walmart, is what I bought. And I don't remember how much prepare feet, you know. But it pretty much comes up to there. I have another one that I'm going to put in here to bring it up just a tad bit more, okay? Because this one is not enough. It's the entire bottle that I put in here, but it does take more than a gallon, right? That's a lot of oil. So we get that going. I'm going to get the chicken set up and then let you guys see what it looks like in the fryer. And yeah, all right guys, so I wanted to come back and show you that I did add some more oil to it. So it come up to about right so about so it took about 1.5 gallons of oil, because I definitely don't want it to come all the way up, so that once I put the food in it, it come out boiling over. So 1.5 gallons of oil I think is pretty much good for this fryer. So my chicken has been marinating for a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and just dip it into the mix here. And then I'll dip it into this flour mix. Alright, so this recipe, y'all, I already have it up. It doesn't hurt to do a refresh on the recipes. But this one, I already have it up, right? I'm going to put the link for the meantime. Since I'm not going through the entire thing, I just wanted to see how it really acts when it's inside of the fryer. Okay, so I'm just pressing the flour in really well, shake it off a tap bit and dip it back in here, give it some more added shibams, put it back in here and go back in and just do the same thing here basically. Right, just press it in if you have to. To me, it come out better when you press it in, right? Alright, get that flour in there and press it all up in there. Press it all up in them little part that we may miss. And then we're going to go in and put it into the fryer. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Pretty big. Nice big piece of chicken breast. And then we're just going to go in and add it into the fryer here. There you go. Alright, that's in. So I'm going to put some fries on the other side. Alright, so we'll add our French fries in. The fries that I'm using is seasoned fries. So that should be yummy. Of course, you could add any other fries of choice, but I'm choosing to use this one. Okay, so we go ahead and let that do its magic there. Okay, it did come on though after it turned green, but then the oil adjusts when you put the cold stuff in there, then it starts to do what it has to do again. But yeah, that's going. So I'm gonna make that do its thing, then I come back and I'll show you all what that looks like. That looks good already. Look at that. Yes, honey, and that is our chicken doing this thing. Oh, look at that crust. Oh, all right, let us go ahead and cook, and then we'll come back and show you that. All right, y'all, so that is our French fries, and that looks amazing. Look how that come out nice and pretty. All right, and then this is our chicken. Look at that crust, baby. All right, so let's just say it did what it was supposed to do. All right. Because that chicken there, right there, so the chicken breast here look really good. So yeah, I'm going to put it on a sandwich and make it to the final. Just a little burrata, right? Alright, goodies, so that is it. We are done. This is what the burger looked like. And the chicken came out perfect. If it wasn't for the card that was short on the back of the fryer, I would have given it a 10. But overall, I'm going to give it a 9. A 9 is good, alright? But I hope that you did enjoy this video, and I hope that it was very helpful. You could go ahead and get yourself one because it is worth it. I will definitely put the link once again down in the description so you could go ahead and purchase yours. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!